This RE/MAX Realty Professionals property video is presented by Tammy Druckemiller. Move-in ready 2-bedroom, 2-bath home. Open floor plan with cathedral ceilings, along with skylights providing light-filled rooms. Luxury vinyl plank flooring, all appliances included, new dishwasher within the last year. Den/office could make a 3rd bedroom if needed. Peaceful backyard has plenty of space for entertaining, leads to Bloomington Rail Trail. For more information, review the details below.